Gas prices are way up. The average price Americans are paying for a gallon of gas went from about $2.95 just before the attack on Iran to about $3.53 today. That's an increase of about 20%. That is a big jump in oil prices in a week, and it all relates back, of course, to the Strait of Hormuz. That is a 12-mile passageway between the Persian Gulf and the Arabian Sea, and 20% of the oil and natural gas in the world goes through that tiny strait. So Iran knew that if it could grab control of the Strait of Hormuz, it could basically put its foot on the neck of the entire global economy. This is an article that I just wrote for Business Week about gas prices and oil prices. Now, a lot of people have asked me, why oil prices are going so much in the US, because the US produces more oil than anybody else in the world. We are the largest oil producer in the world. And so there's this question of why are we paying more? Don't we, produce enough oil for the country? But the answer is that oil companies, US oil companies, sell on the global market. Oil is one of the most global commodities in the whole world. And so American oil companies are selling oil to other countries as well. And because the supply is so constricted right now, that is just boosting the price of oil up all over the world. People get very emotional about gas prices. So there's a lot of speculation that if these gas prices stay high or continue to climb, this could be a really big problem politically. And one of the real bragging rights that the Trump administration has had has been inflation, particularly gas and fuel prices. And so a lot of people that I was talking to were expressing surprise that President Trump had gone into Iran at this moment. President Trump obviously gave a talk intended to bring the price of oil down, and it did. But the laws of supply and demand are the laws of supply and demand. And if 20% of the world's oil supply, that's 20 million barrels of oil a day, cannot make it where they're supposed to go, that is just going to have a huge impact on global prices. It's also going to have potentially a really devastating impact on a lot of countries. For countries that are big importers of oil, they're going to potentially see lines at the gas station, shortages, the price of everything going way up. Honestly, that is Iran's trump card in this situation, because as long as it can control the Strait of Hormuz, it has the world's economy over a barrel. The conflict may very well resolve quickly. That is possible, although the markets don't seem to think that it will. As far as gas and oil prices, we can expect to see those elevated probably through the end of the year.